welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add review stars and under product name on Shopify store. Let's get started. In order to do that, what you can do is you can head over in here on this left sidebar right here and then click on this add apps. So what you need to do is you need to install this Judge.me product reviews. So for me, I already installed it, so I can actually see what it looks like. So in here, let's head over on our Dawn theme. Once you already installed the app, head over and click on Customize on your theme. Now, it will open the Shopify editor. So what you can do is you can actually head over to the actual homepage or the actual product page of your account. So in this, I can see that I have this product page. Under this price right here, I have this plus button. So click on the plus button, and then in here, I can actually see the actual result. So what I can do is I can actually head over and then add the actual app embed for this one. So let me just open the app button in here again. Then in here, you can see the apps. And in here, you can see this review widgets that they have. So what you need to click on is the star ratings. So click on the star ratings right here. And then in here, you should be able to see that it will load for a while and it will actually head over and display the app setting for that specific product. So for me, it doesn't actually put itself on this one because I haven't had any product reviews yet. But if you already have your product reviews and you want to add that in here, you should be able to see those stars actually added in here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. And if you also found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.